The BMW i8 is an iconic car that perfectly blends futuristic technology with luxurious performance. It's a plug-in hybrid that has captured the attention of car enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers alike. Today, we'll dive into what makes this car stand out, from its design to its performance, and why it continues to be one of the most fascinating cars on the market. Let's start with the exterior design. The BMW i8 is undeniably futuristic, with sleek lines, a low profile, and a distinctive scissor door design that immediately grabs attention. The car features a sculpted body that looks like it came straight from a sci-fi movie. Its aggressive front end, combined with the wide stance, creates a strong presence on the road. The i8's signature design elements, like the LED headlights, kidney grills, and aero-optimized body, enhance its aerodynamic efficiency, making it not only beautiful but functional too. Inside the i8, the luxury experience continues. Step into the cabin, and you're immediately greeted with a modern, driver-focused cockpit. The interior is a perfect blend of high-tech and comfort, with premium materials like leather and carbon fiber, giving it an upscale feel. The digital dashboard and center console are minimalist, with a large display screen that controls the iDrive system. Everything is laid out for maximum convenience, making it easy to interact with the car's features while maintaining a futuristic vibe. Now, let's talk about performance. The BMW i8 is powered by a combination of a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine and an electric motor. Together, they produce a total of 369 horsepower, allowing the i8 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. What's remarkable is the hybrid powertrain's efficiency. The electric motor provides instant torque, which means you get strong acceleration, while the gasoline engine kicks in for longer range when needed. The i8 isn't just fast, it's also incredibly efficient for a performance car. With its electric-only driving mode, you can cruise around for short trips on pure electricity, reducing emissions and saving on fuel. This makes it a great option for daily commutes without sacrificing driving fun. On a full charge, the i8 can go around 18 miles in electric mode, and with a full tank of gas, it has a combined range of about 330 miles. It's a perfect balance between performance and eco-friendliness. Handling is another standout feature of the i8. BMW's reputation for creating cars with exceptional driving dynamics is fully realized here. The i8 features an all-wheel drive system, which enhances traction, especially when cornering at high speeds. The car's lightweight construction, using carbon fiber and aluminum, helps it stay agile and responsive on the road, providing a sharp, engaging driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on a winding road, the i8 handles it all with ease. But the i8 is not just about performance. It's also about pushing the envelope when it comes to technology. The i8 comes equipped with a suite of advanced features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a high-resolution display for navigation and media. It also has a regenerative braking system that recovers energy during braking, helping to recharge the battery and increase efficiency. The i8 also incorporates a lightweight lithium-ion battery that's placed low in the chassis for a lower center of gravity, enhancing stability and handling. One thing that really sets the i8 apart is its environmental consciousness. As a plug-in hybrid, it offers the best of both worlds, the convenience and power of a gasoline engine combined with the eco-friendly benefits of an electric motor. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want a performance car but don't want to compromise on sustainability. BMW has managed to design a car that's both fun to drive and kind to the environment, which is no small feat. And finally, let's touch on the driving experience. The BMW i8 is truly a driver's car. The mix of power from the gas engine and electric motor gives you a seamless, responsive ride. Whether you're cruising in comfort mode or putting the car in sport mode for a more dynamic experience, the i8 adapts to your driving style. The sound of the engine, the responsiveness of the brakes, and the precision of the steering all combine to create a driving experience that's unlike anything else. So, who's the BMW i8 for? Well, if you want to stand out on the road, enjoy a thrilling driving experience, and have a car that's environmentally conscious, then the i8 is definitely worth considering. While it may not be the most practical car in terms of space, It offers something truly unique in the world of performance hybrids. Whether you're driving it for the performance, the design, or the technology, the BMW i8 is a car that delivers in every way.